Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi, Stephanie, and welcome to your Wintry Workout Wednesday. Who's ready for some planks? I am. So that's what we're gonna do today. From standing, a bunch of variations, and then we're gonna put together a little sequence. So let's jump right into it. Come on up to standing. Stand at the back of your mat. Take a moment just to find your feet, find your bearings, soften your knees gently, like we are being I don't want to say pushed, I want to say enveloped, which is, in French it makes more sense, but go ahead and from behind, we are being coaxed forward. Take a moment just to hang, shake, shimmy, whatever you need. Soften your knees. Get those hands flat on the ground as much as you need to soften those knees. And then walk out to a long leg plank. Set up your hands, set up your belly. It is okay if you want to dome a little bit to help that, yeah? And then all we're gonna do with the dome or without is imagine we have something precious on our pelvis, on our sacrum. We keep it there and we tap our knees down and up. Down, 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 tap, and 2, and 1. Find that plank, that long leg plank, and then pike your hips up. Easy walk, meaning whatever you need to do, do it to walk back toward the feet. Hang on an inhale, and then roll up on an exhale. Inhale again at the top. Sigh it out, roll down. From, again, that impetus is from behind. Opening up that back chain. Do what you need to do to put your hands flat, walk out to that long leg plank. And then from here, we just set the knees down. Like I said, we'll do the pieces and then we'll put those pieces together. So we're gonna take a push-up. It can be as low to the ground or as high from the ground as you would like. Here we go. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. 2 more. And I'm sorry, now 2 more. Down and up and down and up. Send those legs or knees to length and then pike your hips, walk back. Oops, slip on your mat first. And then go ahead and inhale down, exhale up. And then again, once the head is on top, send it right back down, directly back down. Roll on an exhale. Do whatever you need to do to put those hands nice and flat. We have 2 more variations to go before we find the flow. We stay in the long leg plank as best as we are able. We take one hand, we tap across, and we just allow the body to move. However it wants to support us. Tap the shoulder, tap the opposite shoulder. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Find that long leg plank. Send the hips up, head down, walk back toward the feet. Hang over. Exhale, roll it up. Oh, planks, how you're like a little sprint. Inhale at the top, and then exhale over again. 1 more variation, a little bit of mountain climber-ness. Walking out to that long leg plank. Find it. And then we send 1 knee in, 1 knee in. And 4, and 3, and 2. And now we take that leg across, the knee across to the opposite elbow. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Find that long leg plank. Pike the hips up. And walk back toward the feet. Take an extra moment over here. So those are all the pieces. And then I will guide us through how we're going to put them together for a few more. Rolling it up. Inhaling at the top. And exhale it over. Walking out to that long leg plank. So all the way back to the beginning. We tap the knees. We lengthen, we tap again, we leave them there. We push up, We lengthen our legs. We tap one shoulder. We tap the opposite shoulder. We come to center. We go in, and then we go across for those mountain climbers. Tap down and up to finish. That's the whole thing. Hips up, walk back. Roll it up. So this time we'll do 2 cycles of that before we return to standing. Inhale. It will end at some point. Don't worry. Walk it out. Long leg plank. Tap the knees and lengthen. Tap the knees. Keep them there. Push up. Bend and stretch. Stretch the knees. Reach across. Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap, find center, knee in, knee across, come back, the long leg plank, tap the knees and lengthen. That was the whole thing. Now we start over. Tap the knees and lengthen. This time we tap, stay down, bend and press, up. Lengthen the legs, tap the shoulder, knee into center, knee in, knee across, find your long leg plank, tap the knees and lengthen, pike the hips up. We made it, and over. Roll it up. This time to finish, we'll try that 4 times, we'll double it. Take breaks as you need. Here we go. Inhale, and then exhale, roll it down. Walk it out, find your plank. Find your long leg plank, here we go. Tap the knees and lengthen. Knees stay down, push up. Knees lengthen, shoulder tap once, twice. Now knees in and in, now across. And long leg plank tap. That's 1. Here we go. Tap the knees and lengthen. Knees stay down. Push up. Lengthen the knees. Shoulder tap once and twice. And then knee in and in. Knee across. Lengthen. Tap the knees. That's 2. Tap the knees and up. Knees down. We get a little bit of a respite there. And push up. Lengthen the knees, tap the shoulder, and then knee in, knee across, tap the knees. That's 3, we're almost there. Tap the knees, take that moment to release. Press down, push up, lengthen, tap the shoulder, knee in, knee across, and tap the knees. Find your long leg plank, in and out through the nose. Breathe as deeply as you can, as fast as you can too. Inhale, exhale, send the hips high, walk back towards your feet. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back. It also releases the wrists a little bit. If it's available to you, stand on your wrists. Slide those fingers toward the heels. Doesn't matter if the knees are stretched. I'm going to keep mine nice and bent. Bring the toes to where the heel of the hand meets the wrist. Again, there's that, planks. You little sprint to the finish. Enjoy the pounding of your heart, the heat that builds. Undo the hands if you stood on them. Anything else you want to do. Shimmy, shakes, massage, stretch. And then when you're ready, roll it up. I'm going to come take a seat. And there I'm going to say, thank you for joining. Subscribers, as always, welcome new subscribers. Happy December, holiday, season time. I hope, you weathered it with calm, with ease, with joy, and with love. So as always, thank you for being here, and I hope to see you next time.